are in trouble with the law, accused of trying to extort money from a social media star.
Local 10's Nikki Mohan is in the video port with what they were threatening to do and who was their target.
Janine and Victor, for a woman who shares everything on social media, she did not want to talk about this, but the Miami Beach police arrested 2 people for taking some of her most private pictures and threatening to make them go public.
That does nothing for me.
She is a social media sensation known as Yes Jules, with over 300,000 followers on Instagram alone. 26-year-old Juliana Goddard is also a party promoter who lives on Miami Beach, often seen partying with big-name athletes and celebrities. She shares a lot, especially pictures of her curvy body. But Miami Beach police say these 2 people got a hold of images she did not want anyone to see. Sexually explicit ones and naked ones. In return for keeping them private, they wanted $18,000. According to the arrest affidavit, they hacked her cell phone. Police have arrested 28-year-old Hensha Voigt and 33-year-old Wesley Hubert. Both are charged with making threats and extortion. Voigt is a model with over 85,000 followers on Instagram. Goddard, also seen here donating school supplies to children in Haiti, has been dubbed the Queen of Snapchat because she can get over 300,000 views on a single video. She did not want, however, to chat with us about this case. Apparently, for a woman who's a social oversharer, there are some things she would rather keep private. In a recent New York Times article, she called herself a brand influencer. Well, apparently she takes it very seriously if you plan to threaten that brand. These 2 people were arraigned, and of course, they will be tried for their charges. In the video port, Nikki Mohan, Local 10 News.